My friend Michaela has a new trellis arch garden. She sent me pictures and it looks absolutely amazing. I can't wait to check it out. Let's go. Hey guys, I'm here with my new friend Michaela.
Hello.
I heard she had this new trellis going on for her vegetables and I wanted to come check it out. Michaela, this is such an awesome setup. What made you guys want to do something like this?
First, thank you, and second, my mom used to have a community garden when she lived downtown in Elm Street, and she figured that we could do something similar here and give our fruits and vegetables to some of the neighbors.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I graduated on the 3rd of June, actually. Excited for college. I told my mom I want the summer to go by faster because I want to like go set up my dorm and everything. She's like, no. Just let it be summer for a while. We can watch our vegetables grow. She's like, we can garden more. My mom is pretty obsessed with gardening, I think. Every year we get more plants, more seeds. We move around like 50 plants. We get truckloads of mulch dumped into the driveway. And we're just sitting here lugging wheelbarrows for like a week and a half. Yep.
It's good exercise.
It is. I call them my summer muscles. Whenever we do mulching.
Michaela, what are some things that you guys are growing here?
We've got a little bit of everything. We've got tomatoes, we have some string beans, we've got pumpkins and cucumbers. You can come look.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. All right, so now that we have the trellis up and I see you have everything kind of laid out, the next step is to look at the tags and see how we need to be spacing them. So these are the pole beans. And these are going to be about 4 inches apart. So I see that you have these ones 4 inches apart. And which ones do you have?
I have the snow pea sugar pod.
Awesome. And how do those need to be spaced?
These ones say 6 to 8 inches apart in rows of 24 to 30 inches apart.
Awesome.
Let's pull one of these.
Michaela was just showing me one of her tomatoes and I just heard this story of somebody who planted one and it got to be like 8 to 10 foot tall after fertilizing it, and to pick it they had to go up on a ladder just to get the fruit, and I just thought that was so neat. So the pole beans that we were looking at before needed to be spaced about 4 to 6 inches apart, but these big whopper cucumbers, they need to be about 2 to 3 feet apart. So when you're planting your garden, make sure that you're reading the tags to see how things need to be spaced. I was excited to see this acorn squash in Michaela's garden, so I was talking to her about it and she mentioned how she didn't particularly like acorn squash, but then I remembered how she was planting things to share with her neighbors.
Yeah, so my mom is Puerto Rican, so we make a lot of beans, and my mom likes to put squash in her beans, and it's supposed to make it taste delicious, but still, I'm not a big fan.
That sounds amazing. I want to try it. I love seeing these little cherry tomatoes in people's garden. They're so cute and so fun, and they just pop in your mouth. They just taste like summer.
We got a lot of different varieties of tomatoes because we like to make lasagna with our homemade recipe tomato sauce.
It was neat to see this grid set up in Michaela's garden. I was talking to her about it and she said that her and her mom were doing a lot of research, so they were learning about square foot gardening. And there's so many different types of gardening, and I think this is the one that works perfect for them. Is that all just basil in the back?
Yeah, I think so.
We did
There's basil there. We have oregano, rosemary, thyme, oregano. We have Italian and common oregano.
I was excited to see these peppers in Michaela's garden. These are candy cane peppers. They're just super sweet and they don't have a really thick skin to them, so they're just a really, really good snacking pepper. Do you have any deer problems or anything around here?
We do have quite a few deer and bunnies.
Yeah.
So we're thinking about getting chicken wire fence.
putting like stakes and
Yeah.
then chicken wire around it.
Otherwise, we'll have no fruits or vegetables left for us.
Michaela, thanks for showing us your grid gardening and your trellis. I think that's just so unique. It's awesome. I'm excited to see what happens in the coming months and to see how things start trailing. Well, once you get everything planted, it's time to water, weed, and eat, repeat, right?
Yep. And I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.